Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type mailbox symbol in Word. So this is very easy to type. So first you need to click on insert, now symbol and more symbols, so just click on it. So one screen will be open, so you need to font select this one, then you can type this character code. So just type 1F4EA character code and click on insert. This first one and second one is this character code is 1F4EB, so just type it and click on insert. Now third one is 1F4EC, so just type this character code and click on insert. Now this last one 1F4ED, so just type this and insert. Now close it. So very easily you can insert mailbox symbol in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more videos.